All right, so I put a brand new brake booster and master cylinder on a 2014 F-150. I've actually never seen a master cylinder fail like this on this car. And being a rental, the brake booster, I could have probably sucked all the brake fluid out of it, but it's a real risky thing to do, so I replaced both parts. Realizing I didn't have Ford part, this was a Duralast part. And the other thing is that the brake lights are on. Hard to see in the sunlight, but they're on. So the adjustment's way out of whack. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything forward so I'm gonna take the master cylinder out, use what should have came with this brake booster is this component here. My assumption is this could, this is loose and could have came off and put onto the new booster. But when you buy a Ford product, this is the Duralast Gold product, and this is a replacement unit from actually Motorcraft. Almost $100 more between these products. One's new, this is a rebuild. So my assumption when you get a rebuild, they don't put this spacer on it. This was all my problems, was the spacer here. I didn't catch it when I removed the booster. So lesson learned, if you do this, make sure to, if you have a 13 or 14 F-150, this here has to be removed or the pedal will not be in the right position. So that was my problem the whole entire time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this booster on, return this one. I'm gonna put this in, and you'll connect it to the pedal before you actually start screwing it in. So I put the clip back in. You can just use it and push the pedal forward and start tightening it. Screws in and torque down to 22 foot-pounds. As I put the wrong booster in, I ended up breaking the brake light. So now I got to replace that, unfortunately. Sure, it retracts. If you put a new one in the gas pedal, I'm sorry, the brake pedal doesn't retract, you got a problem. So you can see here it retracts. So I'm going to pump it just a few times. I still got to bleed the system, but I'm just going to pump it to get any fluid down into the farther, so it's easier to bleed. Go ahead and start the bleed process. So I'm going to end up using the power bleeder to do my brakes flusher.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.